Shubor Snam Jong Nongsan Hima.
Ka Composite Regional Center for Skill Development, Rehabilitation and Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, Shillong, ringkat ke Jingsynñiang bat ke Regional Blood Center Pasteur Institute, kalau Pynlong ke Jingsynñiang Snam ke Khatnyu Terik Risau Arjal Arpun Riau, haka jagat rikam jong ke Crcsre-Shillong. Ya ke program la Pynlong Bynta ban Rakhe ke World Haemophilia Day, daga jingtmu ban kentiu ke jing pensngo thu shaphang ke jingpang Haemophilia, bat ban penslor ke jing Snam ban sngoba. Hagani ke program la danang u Dr. Rakhe Sahani, ubadei u Director ke Crcsre-Shillong, Dr. Alia Medical Officer na ke Regional Blood Center, Pasteur Institute, kong Banika Dhar Administrative Officer, kong Ines K. Warshong Lecturer haka Physiotherapy, bat u Rajesh Chetri. U Dr. Rakhe Sahani ubadei u Director ke Crcsre-Shillong, haka jingkran jung u ulapan pau ke jiran kam ban Snam mon sngoba, bat ulaban jo ke jiran kam ban yatrelang haka bakersha ni kibriyo ki bashakta, haka jingpang Haemophilia bat kiwe ke jingpang kibe dei ban ke Snam. I Dr. Alia Medical Officer ila ajingtep halor ke jingpang Haemophilia, bat pensngo thu shaphang ke ni ke jingpang, ki daw jongka, ki dak jingpang, bat ke jingdan kam ban sumar haka por babyang, bat ban yo man ke por ya ke Snam ke bakot ke bakhya, ke jingkran ke lerap ban penklan ya ke jingsngo thu hapdeng ki no Bynta, bat kala penpau ke jingdan kam jong ke jingdan tilang jong ki pat ba, haba kersha ni ki nongpang Haemophilia. La sakhi ke Bynta na do ki nong tre ki samla pule bat ki nong tre mon sngoba, ki balano Jingsynñiang ya ke Snam ke balong ke jingrap nak Bynta ki badan kam.
हाँ उसको प्रेस करते रहिए
Crcsre-Shillong is organizing a blood donation camp in collaboration with Regional Blood Center, Pasteur Institute, Shillong. This event is we are conducting here in occasion of the Haemophilia Day, and we know that in all over India, out of 21 type of the disability as per the RPWD Act, there is a one type of the disability that is blood disorder. Under blood disorder, that is Haemophilia. So this is blood disorder. So because of that, we are conducting this event, blood donation camp, for the people, the general people and the person with disability, those who needed the blood. And the blood donation is very much important for all the seniors citizen of the India, because those who are the needed the blood, that is very much problematic actually. So CRC is initiated for this particular things to donate the blood, and we are expecting 100 people today for donation the blood.